welcome in my channel. So in this video we're gonna talk about hire influencer marketing expert and get influencer marketing services. So you how you can hire an influencer marketing expert and get the services of them. Hire the top 5% of marketing influencer marketing experts. So these are the best, we can say, the influencer marketing experts: Jason Hoy, Dhariana Lozano, Ashton Horacio, Dorian Reeves, SMM, and there are plenty of others. So you can talk to them and you can hire them and get their services. The power of influencer marketing has grown one of the most used and most powerful digital marketing channels out there. The market grew from 1.7 billion to 13.8 billion now. So it's expected to grow 15 below oh, $1 billion this year. So it's a really high amount of money, you can say. So influencer marketing really helps businesses to grow. So there is a effect, impact of influencer marketing in the business growth. We can say you can hire through Maple as well. Work with Maple to hire influencer marketing that have proven track record in your industry. So you can hire through, there are plenty of sites.